Hello, in front of me I've got BYD ATTO 2. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can activate cruise control, change distance from the following car, and adjust speed. Next, if you press this button, you will enter camera. If you press this button, two lines button, you will navigate through instrument cluster. On the right side of the steering wheel, we've got the panel thanks to which we can change radio station, radio volume. If you press this button, you will go to menu on the instrument cluster. Phone button is for answering and ending calls, and microphone button is for voice assistant. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.